Assalamu alaikum dear student. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am going to solve basic level of 4A exercise. Find each of the following products. Here we have to find the products. Products mean to multiply the terms. The A part is 6x multiplied by into minus 2y. So you will multiply number with number and alphabet with alphabet. 6 multiplied by 2, the answer is 12, and this minus plus and minus is minus because 6 carries plus sign and 2 carries minus sign, and plus and minus, when you will multiply plus and minus, the answer is always minus. And x multiplied by y, the answer is xy. Then B part, which is 14x multiplied by 1 over 2y. So you will write again 14x multiplied by 1 over 2y. You can cancel this 2 by 14, or you can divide 14 by 2, so that it can be simplified. When 14 is divided by 2, the answer is 2 7s are 14. The answer is 7. So 7x multiplied by y, because when 7 is multiplied by 1, it will remain 7. 7xy is the answer. Then there is question number 2 of basic level, which is expand. Expand mean to remove all the bracket, and the answer should be in a simple form. A part is 8x into y minus 1. 8 multiplied by 1y, here 8, and then x multiplied by y is xy. When 8 is multiplied by minus 1, the answer is minus, and 8 ones are 8. So this is our simple answer. Then B part is minus 9x into 3y minus 2z. You will multiply this minus 9 to 3. 9 3s are 27, and this minus and this plus makes plus minus minus. You can solve like that. Minus 9 multiplied by plus 3 is equal to 9 3s are 27, and plus and minus makes minus, and x and y makes xy, and due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign, or minus and minus makes plus, it will become plus, and 9 2s are 18. X multiplied by z will become xz. Just like that, when minus 9 is multiplied by minus 2, the answer is 18, and this minus and this minus makes plus. We will not write plus here, but here we need to write plus to separate the terms. This is our final answer. Then there is C part, which is 3x into 2x plus 7y. So multiply 3 by 2, answer is 6, and x multiplied by x square. Then 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21. 3 7s are 21, and x multiplied by y, it will become xy. Then there is D part, which is 3y into x minus 11 y. 3 1s are 3, and y multiplied by x, it will become xy. Then 3 11s are 33, and y multiplied by y will become y square. Then there is E part, minus 3a into 2a plus 3b. You will multiply this minus 3 through 2, minus 6, 3 2s are 6, and a multiplied by a, it will become a square. And then due to this minus sign, you will change the inner sign, minus plus minus, and it will change. So 3 3s are 9, and a multiplied by b, it will become ab. The answer is here. Then f part, which is minus 4c into 2c minus 5d. 4 when multiplied by 2, it will become 8, and minus plus minus here, and c multiplied by c is equal to c square. Due to this minus sign, you will change the inner sign. Now it is plus sign, and 4 5s are 20. c multiplied by d will become cd. Then there is e part, g part, which is minus 6h into 7k minus 3h. Multiply 6 to 7, 7 6 are 42, and minus plus minus here. Due to this minus sign, you will change the inner sign, that will become plus, and 6 3s are 18. h multiplied by h will become h square. This is the answer. See now, h part is minus 8m multiplied by minus 12m and minus 7n. 8 when 8 is multiplied by 12, it is equal to minus and minus makes plus, and 8 multiplied by 12 is equal to 12 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16, and 8 1s are 8, and this one 9 96. You will write 96 here, and m multiplied by m will become m square. This minus and this minus makes plus. Minus multiplied by minus is equal to plus. So we will not write plus here, because if the sign is, there is no sign, then it is always plus sign. Then 8 multiplied by 7, 56, and due to this minus sign, you will change the sign into plus, and 56 here. M multiplied by n will become mn. Then there is I part. There is a I part 2p and 2, 2p into 3, 2p into 3p plus q plus 7r. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. P multiplied by p is equal to p square plus 2 here, and p multiplied by q pq, and 2 multiplied by 7 14, and p multiplied by r is equal to pr. Then j part, that is minus 7 s into s minus 4t minus 3u. Then 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7, and minus plus minus s multiplied by s square. Due to this minus sign, change the inner sign. Whenever you open the bracket, you should remember that when there is a minus sign out of the bracket, then inner sign will change. All the inner sign will change. So 7 4s are 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28, and s multiplied by t is equal to st. this minus sign will also become plus sign, and 7 3s are 21, and s multiplied by u, su. See here, is there any like term? There is no like term, so you will not solve it further. Then there is question number 3, which is a part is 7a into 3b minus 4c, 3b minus 4c plus 4a into 3c minus 2b. This is again to expand, and you know that for expand we mean remove all the brackets. 7 3s are 21, a multiplied by b is equal to ab, 7 4s are 28, and a multiplied by c is equal to ac, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, this 4 and this 3, it will become ac, and 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, and a multiplied by b, it will become ab. You will multiply this 7a to whole of these terms and 4a to all of these terms, because this bracket shows that we will multiply this 4 from here to here. Now find the like terms. Here is 21ab and minus 8ab. These are like terms. Write them together. Minus 28 ac and plus 12 ac are also like term, because ac and ab are like. So it is minus and it is plus. You will subtract these, remove 8 from 21, and the answer will be from 11 remove 8, answer is equal to 3, and 1 is here. 13 is the answer, and AB will be there. Then see that this minus term is bigger and this plus term is smaller. Due to the different sign, we will subtract and we will write the sign of bigger term, that is 28, and subtract it. You will find 28 minus 12, 6 here and 1 here, 16 AC. Always perform rough working so that there is no any error while solving your problem. Avoid to use calculator whenever it is possible, wherever it is possible, because if you want to improve your mathematics, you should perform your calculation by hand, because whenever you are applying for any job or any other interviews, you are not allowed to use your mobile phone or your calculator. So you should know the basics of your mathematics at a fingertip. Now question number 3, B part is 4d into d minus 5f plus 2f into 3d plus 7f, bracket close. Now 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and d multiplied by d is equal to d square minus 4 5s are 20 df plus 2 3s are 6, this 2 and this 3, 6, and f multiplied by d, fd. Then 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14, and f multiplied by f is equal to f square. Now see that if there are like terms, these two are like terms, and you will solve them. It carries minus sign and it carries plus sign. Due to different sign, we will subtract and remove 6 from 20. The answer will be 14 df, and 14 will carry negative sign because of the bigger term has negative sign. Then 14 f is here, 14f square. This is the answer of three part B part of third question. Then there is fourth question, which is expand, and you know that expand means to remove all the brackets, and A part is x plus y into x plus 6y. You should take this term and you should place this whole term in the bracket. Then you should write plus y here, and you should write whole of this term in the bracket for the multiplication. And this manner of multiplication doesn't leave any mistake, because it is easiest way of multiplication. X multiplied by x is equal to x square plus 6, and x multiplied by y is equal to xy. Y multiplied by x is equal to xy, and y multiplied by 6 and y will make y square. Y multiplied by y square, and 6 is here. Same terms are these two, and we will simplify these two as well. 6 and 1 makes 7, and because these both have same sign, so therefore I have added these, and the sign is that of same terms. This is answer of A part. Then there is B part. Very simple questions. X square plus 2 into x plus 5. You will multiply this x square to whole of this term, so you will write it in the bracket, and plus 2 will be written out, and then this whole term in the bracket. You should remember that always split the first term into x square plus 2, and you will write second term as whole in the bracket. X square multiplied by x is equal to x cube plus 5x square when x square is multiplied by 5. Then 2 multiplied by x, it will become 2x, and when 2 is multiplied by 5, it will become 25. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 5, it will become 10. There is no any like term. There are no like terms, so this is the answer. Now question number 5 is to expand, that is of intermediate level. Its A part is minus 3 over 7 x multiplied by 14 over 9 y. This was our question, and write it again. 3 over 7 x multiplied by 14 over 9y. Dear student, never cancel out while you are writing the question, and you will always start your working from the second step, so that teacher can watch easily to your question, and he may satisfactorily give you good marks. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. These two have same table. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Therefore we will cancel out these, and 3 and 9 are also of same table, or multiple of same table. So 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. So you can cancel out these, and now there is no any number that can be divided on the same table. So minus x from here, and multiply by 2 over 3 y from here, 2 over 3 y from here, and you can write it in the simplified form as 2 over 3 minus sin this and x multiplied by xy. This is the answer of A part. Then there is B part, that is 9x square y, 9x cube y multiplied by 3x square y square. See here, you will multiply 9 to 3. The answer is 9 3s are 27, and when x cube is multiplied by x square, it will become x degree 5, because 3 and 2 will be added, and 3 and 2 makes 5. Then y has degree 1 and this y has degree 2, so we will add their degrees. 1 and 2 makes 3. This is the answer. Now B part, C part is of this question, that is 2x 3y 2x cube y into minus 13y square. You will multiply 2 to 13, the answer is 26, and this is plus and this is minus, so plus minus minus 26, and x cube will remain same because there is no x alphabet, and when this y is multiplied by y square, it will become y cube. Degree 1 and degree 2 they will be added and make 3. Then D part, minus 4 x y z multiplied by minus 2x square y cube z 4 times. Then 4 2s are 8, minus and minus plus, we will not write plus sign. X degree 1 and x degree 2 makes x degree 3, y degree 1 and y degree 3 makes y degree 4, z degree 1 and z degree 4 makes z degree 5. So this is our answer. For your explanation, you can write as x from here and x square from here, and then x degree 1 x degree 2, you will write only one base. These x's are base and this is their exponent. Write 1 plus 2. The answer is x degree 3. This is the method of adding degrees of any base. Now there is question number 6. Expand each of the following expression. It was to expand again, and first question was to find the product. Fifth question was to find the product. And now A part of sixth question is minus 3x y into x minus 2y. Very simple. Minus 3 x multiplied by x, x square, and y will remain alone here, while minus inner sign will change, it will become plus, and 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. X will be here, y multiplied by y is equal to y square. Due to this minus sign, we have changed the inner sign, it has become plus sign. Now there is B part. which is 9x into minus 3x square y minus 7x z. You will multiply 9 by 3, 9 3s are 27, and this minus sign is here. X multiplied by x square, it will become x cube, and y is here. Then 9 multiplied by 7, it is 63, and x multiplied by x, it will become x square. Degree 1 here, degree 1 here will make degree 2, and x multiplied by z is x multiplied by x square, and z will be along with it. It is the answer. Then there is C part. C part is minus 13 x square y into 3x minus y. 13 3s are 39, and minus sign will be here. X square multiplied by x is x cube, and y is along with it. Then 13, due to this minus sign will change and it will become plus sign due to this minus sign, and 13 1s are 13, x square will be here, and y makes y square after multiplication. Then there is D part. This D part is minus 5x into minus 6x minus 4x square minus 4x cube minus 4x cube y minus 3y. Always write equal sign here. 5 when multiplied by 6 is equal to 5 6 are 30, and minus makes plus, and x makes x square. Then this minus sign will change into plus sign, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, x multiplied by x cube, it will become x degree 4, and y is also here, we will write it as such. Then minus, due to this minus sign, inner sign will change, it will become plus, and when x is multiplied by y, 5 is multiplied by 3, 5 3s are 15, and x multiplied by y, xy. This is the final answer of D part of question number 6. Now question number 7, which is to expand. Its first part is a into 5b plus c, then minus 2a into 3c minus b. Now a5 is here, a multiplied by b is equal to ab, then a multiplied by c is equal to ac. Then 2 when multiplied by 3 it will become 6, and a multiplied by c it become ac. Due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign, and 2 is here, and a multiplied by b is ab. Now find the like terms and arrange them together. 5ab and plus 2ab, these are like terms, and 1ac and minus 6ac, these are also like term. 5 plus 2 makes 7, and AB is here because both have same sign, and here plus and it is minus. Because of these different sign we will subtract, and we will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus 6. This is bigger term, I have written minus here. Now remove 1 from 6. The answer is 5 AC. This is the answer. Then there is B part, which is minus 2D into 4F minus 5H. Then minus F into 3D plus 7H. Then its second step is 2 4s are 8. Due to this minus sign and this plus sign is minus plus minus, and D multiplied by F is equal to DF. Now due to this minus sign we will change the inner sign, and 2 5s are 10. D multiplied by H is equal to DH minus F multiplied by 3 will remain as such, and F multiplied by D is equal to FD. You should write here DF because their arrangement should be same. DF should be FD or FD should be DF. So write here DF as we have written first DF minus 3DF. Then this inner sign will change due to this minus sign, and 7 FH. There is no any other term, therefore we can write with any arrangement FH. Now arrange the like terms, minus 8 DF and minus 3 DF. Minus 8 DF this one and minus 3 DF this one, then plus 10 DH, then minus 7 FH. So these both have same sign and we always add the same sign. So add these, 8 and 3 makes 11 DF, but the same sign is that of negative, we will write that also. Then plus 10 DH and 7 FH are different terms. We can't add these or we can't subtract these. Then C part of question number 7, that is 4K into 3K, 4K into 3K plus M minus 3K into 2K minus 5M. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, and K multiplied by K is equal to K square. 4 multiplied by M will be 4 and K multiplied by M will be Km, minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6 and K multiplied by K is equal to K square, and due to minus sign you will change the inner sign, it is plus. 3 5s are 15 and K multiplied by M is equal to Km. Now find the like term. Here is 4Km, here is 15Km, these are like term, and K square is also same. So you should arrange these, K square minus 6K square and plus 4Km and plus 15Km. You see that here are opposite sign. This is plus 12K square and this is minus 6K square. So you will subtract and you will remove 6 from 12. The answer is 6K square. And from these two like terms, you see that these are both of plus sign and they carry same type of sign, and also they are same terms, alike terms. So 4 multiplied by 4 plus 15 makes 19 and Km is here. Now there is D part, which is 2n into p minus 2n minus 4n into n minus 2p. We have to expand it. It means we have to remove brackets. 2 and n multiplied by p is np, and 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, and n multiplied by n is equal to n square, and 4 will remain as such, and n multiplied by n square. Due to this minus sign, change the inner sign, and 4 2s are 8, and n multiplied by p is equal to np. Again np here, I have same arrangement. So 2np plus 8np, I have arranged the similar term together, and then 4n square minus 4n square, these are also similar terms. Because of these both same sign, we will add, and 2 and 8 makes 10 np here, and these two same sign will also add. 4 and 4 makes 8 and n square. This is the answer. Then there is question number 8 of this exercise. It is also to expand, and for expansion we will do that, and we will remove all the brackets. A plus 3b into a minus b. For such type of multiplication, you should take first part from the first term, and whole of the second term will be placed in the bracket, and from the first part remove this 3b, and again the second term is in the bracket. Here see here, this a is here and plus 3b is here, and a minus b is first time it is here and second time it is here. So a multiplied by a is equal to a square, and a multiplied by b is equal to ab, and 3 multiplied by a is equal to 3, and b multiplied by a is equal to ba or ab. You will write ab because I have written here ab, and 3 multiplied by b, and this b is also square. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and b multiplied by b is equal to b square. You see that these two are like terms, and these are already at the same place. So you will start our operation after thinking. It carries plus sign, and this carries minus sign. Due to different sign, we will subtract, and we will remove 1 from 3. The answer is 2ab. This plus sign is due to bigger term, because bigger term carries plus sign, and then 3b square is here. This is a part, and then there is b part. The b part is 3c plus 7d into c minus 2d. Again split the first term 3c from here, and again the second term is inside the whole bracket, then plus 7d from here, and second term is again in the bracket. So you can multiply it. 3 1s are 3, and c multiplied by c square, minus 3 2s are 6, and c multiplied by d is cd. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7, and d multiplied by c is cd, and 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, and d multiplied by d is d square. See that whether it has like term. Here are two like terms, and these are already at the same place, so no need to change the place. This 3c square is again here, and these two terms carry opposite sign, plus 7d cd and minus 6 cd. This plus sign and this opposite sign makes it possible that we have to subtract these, and we will subtract 6 from this 7. The answer is 1. The answer is 1 cd, and for its sign we will think that it has bigger sign of plus, so we will write here plus, and minus 14 d square is as such. Now C part is 3k minus 5h whole bracket and then minus h minus 7k whole bracket. Now perform the multiplication in the similar way. Carry this 3k out and write this whole term inside the bracket, minus h minus 7k in the bracket, then this minus 5h here and this whole term minus h minus 7k inside the bracket. Now 3 ones are 3 and this minus sign and this plus sign, plus minus minus, and k multiplied by h will make kh, and this minus sign will be written as such because here is plus sign, plus minus minus, and 3 7s are 21. K is same here because k is only one alphabet, and 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, and this minus sign and this minus sign change into plus sign, minus minus plus, h multiplied by h is equal to a square. Due to this minus sign you will also change the inner sign, it is plus 5 7s are 35, and h multiplied by k is equal to hk, but you will write kh because first arrangement is kh. Now these two terms are alike and these are not like terms. Write the like terms together, kh plus 35 kh minus 21k and plus 5h square. See here they carry different sign, so we will subtract, and you will subtract 3 from 35. The answer is 32, and because of this bigger plus sign you will not write the sign here that of plus, that is only kh is written here. Then after these two terms we will write 21k and plus 5h square. This is final answer of C part. Then there is D part. The D part is 7m square plus 2 and into m minus 4 bracket close. Now you will write 7m square out and this whole in the bracket. Again you will write plus 2 here and this whole term inside the bracket. You will split the first term and you will write the second term in the bracket. Now multiply 7 by 1 7, and m multiply m square will become m cube. Then 7 multiplied by 4 is 7 4 are 28, and m square will remain same. 2 multiplied by m is 2m, m minus here, and 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Then there is no any like term, so this is our final answer. Dear student, now question number 9, that is to expand, and its A part is 5x into x minus 6y plus x plus 3y, x plus 3y, second term is 3x minus 4y bracket closed. Now again in the similar way you will expand the first term and you will write the second term as such, and here 5x can be multiplied up to here because these brackets show that we should multiply this 5x to both of these terms. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and x multiplied by x is equal to x square. Then 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30 and x multiplied by y is equal to xy. And due to this plus sign we no need to write square bracket or any bigger bracket, and only we will write x here. We will separate this term into two parts and second term will be written as such in the bracket for our easy multiplication. Then plus 3y and this whole term will be written in the bracket. Now start multiplication. These three terms have been already multiplied, so we will write them as such. When 3 is multiplied by 1, it will be equal to 3 and x multiplied by x is equal to x square. X multiplied by y xy and 4 will be written as such. 4 ones are 4. Again the arrangement is same, xy is here and xy is here. You should also keep it in your mind while writing the arrangement. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 and y multiplied by x is equal to yx, but you will write xy so that the arrangement is same. Then 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12 and this plus and this minus makes minus, or you will never change sign when there is plus sign out of the bracket. So you will write minus here and y multiplied by y is equal to y square. Now arrange the similar terms. 5x square here and 3x square here. We will write same terms at the same place so that we can simplify them easily. Now write this minus 30xy and here is minus 4xy. Then there is plus 9xy. These like terms have been written together. Now there is minus 12y square. Now start operation. 5 plus 3 makes 8 and x square is always same. Then this is minus 30xy and this is minus 4xy because these are both same sign. So we will add these signs and we will write the same sign here as I have already written minus here. When you will add 30 to 4, the answer is 34 and xy will be there. Then this plus 9xy will be written as such. We will add it in the second step. Minus 12y square is also same here. It has no similar term. Now 8x square minus, here 34 is that of minus sign and 9 is that of plus sign. Because of these two different signs we will subtract these and we will subtract 9 from 34. The answer is 34 minus 9. For you will subtract 9 from 14. The answer will be 9 from 14. The answer will be 5 and 2 will be here 25. And because of this minus sign is bigger, you will write minus 25xy. Then there is minus 12y square. Dear student, now question number 9 part B is 7x minus 3y into x minus 4y plus 5x minus 9y into y minus 2x. Here is very bigger multiplication. See here 7x, we will separate the first term 7x and then x minus 4y in the bracket, then minus 3y here and again x minus 4y in the bracket. Now this plus sign is here and again 5x will be written here, and y minus 2x in the bracket, then minus 9y here due to this, and again y minus 2x is in the bracket. Now you will start multiplication. 7 ones are 7 and x multiplied by x is equal to x square. 7 4s are 28 and x multiplied by y is xy. Then 3 ones are 3 and y multiplied by x is yx, but we will write xy due to this arrangement. Due to this minus sign, you will change the inner sign. It will become plus, and 3 4s are 12 y square plus 5 multiplied by 1 is 5 and x multiplied by y is xy, and 5 multiplied by 2 it is 10, and this minus sign will be same. X multiplied by x square, then minus 9 multiplied by 1 9, and y multiplied by y square. Due to this minus sign, you will change the inner sign. It is plus, and 9 2s are 18, and y multiplied by x is again xy. So now you will arrange the similar terms. See here, 7x square and 10x square, these are similar terms. You will write these terms together at the same place along with their sign. 7x square minus 10x square, you will also write its sign minus 10 minus here, and then minus 28xy from this, minus 3xy from here, plus 5xy from here, and plus 18xy from here. Because all of these are of xy terms, therefore I have written all the xy terms together. These are like terms, or these are same terms. And then there is plus 12 y square, and then minus 9y square. I have arranged the terms, but I don't know whether the number is equal or not. So you will count the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, because both the steps have same number of terms, therefore there is no any missed term. Now we will start adding or subtraction. See here, minus 10x square and plus 7x square, these are of opposite signs, so we will subtract, and you should subtract 7 from 10. The answer is 3x square, but you see that minus 10 is bigger than plus 7, so you will write minus sign here. Minus sign is always that of bigger term. Now see here, minus 28xy, minus 28xy and minus 3xy both carry same sign, so you will add these and you will write the same sign here, that is minus sign. Add these. When 3 is added to 28, it makes 31xy and plus 5xy and plus 18xy again have same sign. You will also add, and now the same sign is that of plus, so you will write plus sign here, and after adding 18 to 5, the answer will be 23xy. And then see 12y square minus 9y square, opposite sign. Due to opposite sign, we will subtract. Due to different sign, we always subtract. So subtract 9 from the 12. The answer is plus 3y square. Dear student, now question number 10, that is to expand. And here a part is x plus 9 y into x plus 3y plus 1. Now a part, x plus 9y into x plus 3y plus 1, we have to multiply. and we have to remove the bracket because expand mean to remove all the brackets. So you will multiply these, carry this x here and multiply this with the whole term x plus 3y plus 1, and then write plus 9y, and in the bracket x plus 3y plus 1 again. Always split the first term, and I have written x here and plus 9y here, and the second term is written completely in the bracket, first time here and second time here. Now multiply it. X multiplied by x is equal to x square, and x multiplied by 3y is equal to 3xy, and x ones are x. Then 9 here, and x multiplied by y is again xy. Then 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, y multiplied by y square, and 9y when multiplied by 1 it will remain same, 9y. Now make the arrangement properly, and you will write the similar term together. X square here, there is no any other x square, and then 3xy, and here is plus 9xy, we will write together. Then plus x is only term, we will write it here. Then 27y square plus 27y square and plus 9y. See here, only there are two like terms, all the other terms are different. Therefore we will add only like terms because these have same signs. Same sign is that of plus sign, and when we add 3 and 9, the answer is 12. xy plus x will remain same, plus 27 will also be written same, and plus 9y is also same. Then there is B part of question number 10. This one is x plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. Now write x here and this whole term in the bracket, then plus 2 here, and again the same term is in the bracket. Now you will multiply, and always try to solve multiplication with the help of this method. X multiplied by x square is equal to x cube, and x multiplied by x is equal to x square, and x multiplied by 1 is equal to x, and 2 multiplied by x square is equal to 2x square, and 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x, plus 2 multiplied by 1 is always equal to 2. Now x cube is different term, while x square and this 2x square are same terms. So we will write the same term together. Again plus x and this plus 2x are same terms. I have written them together, then 2 is there. Now x cube plus 1x square plus 2x square makes 3x square, and again 1x and 2x makes 3x plus 2. Then there is question number 11. Factorize each of the following. That is, to factorize, you should know that factorize and expand, these are opposite to each other. While we are required to expand, we should remove all the brackets, and when we are asked to factorize, we should use the brackets. For factorization we should use the bracket. Then a part is a square plus 3ab minus 4b square. We have to find its factor, and we have to use brackets to find part of this term. Part of this term mean to find its factors, and you know that here is 1 and here is 4. You will multiply 1 by 4, the answer is 4, and you will make part of this 4, and you know that when 4 is 4 minus 1 makes 3. When we are subtracting these, the answer is 3ab, and when we are multiplying these two numbers, the answer is 4. This is our condition, that you should multiply this coefficient to this one. The answer is here was 1 and 4, the answer is 4, and we will split 4 into 2 parts, and I have made 4 minus 1, and after subtracting 1 from 4, the answer is 3. If we multiply 4 and 1, the answer is 4, and if we subtract 4 and minus 1, the answer is 3. That is this. These two conditions should always be fulfilled. So here my pair is fulfilling the condition. Now I can write here a square and plus 4 ab here due to this 4, then minus 1 ab here, minus 4b square is the same as here. Now you can get common from these two terms, that is a, and a will remain here and 4b will be here. Now you can get 1b as common, you can write b as such, then a, and due to this minus sign, the sign will change, it will become 4b inside the bracket. See here, a plus 4b are same terms, so you can get common from them, and you know that when a plus 4b and a plus 4b are same terms, we know that this is our this proves that our factorization is right. Now you can write this common first, a plus 4b, and then this one a minus b here. It is factorized pair of this whole expression, and if you will multiply this pair, you can get the question again. Now there is b part of question number 11, that is c square minus 4cd minus 21d square. Here 1c square 1 multiplied by 21, the answer is 21, and we will find the pair of 21, so that after adding or subtracting, the answer should be 4. And you know that when you multiply 7 by 3, the answer is 21. 7 3s are 21, and if you have minus 7 and plus 3, the answer is minus 4. Answer is minus 4, which is this one, and 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. Both the conditions are being fulfilled, so our pair is right. Right here minus 7 cd and plus 3 cd. This minus here minus 7 cd, and this plus here plus 3 cd, then minus 21 is the same 21d square. Now you can get carry from here c into c minus 7d here, because c is out and 7d is here, and then plus 3 and d, and 3d is here, then c will be in the bracket, minus when 21 is divided by 3, the answer is 7, and d here. You can see that c minus 7d and c minus 7d are same terms, so our factorization is right, and we can take c minus 7d as common, and c plus this 3d is in the bracket. This is the answer. Now C part is 2h square plus 7hk minus 15k square. Again you can see that here is coefficient 2 and here is 15. You will multiply 2 by 15. The answer is 30 and we will make part of 30. And if you can't make part verbally, you should find its prime factorization. So find prime factorization of 30. 2 15s are 30 and 3 5s are 15. See here, if we make 2 multiplied by 3 6 and 5, you can't find part. But if you multiply 2 to 5 10 and then 3, see here 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 and minus this 3, the answer is this 7. Make the pair with the help of 2 and 5, that is 10 and 3 is here. And if you subtract 3 from 10, the answer is 7, that is this. So you can see that when you are multiplying 10 and 3, the answer is 30, and when you are subtracting 10 and 3, the answer is 7. Both the conditions are again true. So you can have this pair as your factor pair. So write 2h square here again and plus 10hk from this 10hk and then minus 3 of this and hk, then minus 15k square. Now you can take common from these two. 2 is common from 2 and 10, so take 2 as common. Then h is also common here, so write h. There are h square and 1 h is here, 1 here. Then 10 divided by 2, answer is 5. 5k here. H is out in our bracket, outside from our bracket. Then minus 3 is common and k is also common. So there will be only h, and due to this minus sign, inner sign will change. And when 15 is divided by 3, the answer is 3 5s are 15. 5 and k here. Now you can see h plus 5k, these are same, so it proves our factorization is right. Now take common h plus 5k as common, and in the bracket 2h plus minus 3k. This is the answer. Dear students, see now D part, that is 3m square minus 16mn minus 12n square. See here the coefficient of m square is 3 and that of n square is 12, and we will multiply these. 3 12s are 36. Find the prime factor of 36 to make pairs. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 36 when divided by 2, the answer is 18, and then 18 divided by 2, again the answer is 9. And when 9 is divided by 3, because it can't be divided by 2, the answer is 3 when 9 is divided by 3. Now you find the pair. If you make this pair, 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. 4 and 9 makes 13, but here is 16. So change your pair. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. This is not suitable for our factorization, and you should write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12 and 12 multiplied by 3, that is 15, and it is also not according to our question. But if you write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and then you subtract 2 from 18, the answer is 16. See here, you should make this pair. You should try different arrangement, and finally you will find the pair. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9 2s are 18. One is 18 and other is 2. You see that when minus 18 is there plus 2 is here, the answer is minus 16. And if you multiply 18 by 2, the answer is 36. So both the condition are being fulfilled. 18 multiplied by 2, the answer is 36. So we are doing right, and this is our suitable pair. Write it here, 3m square minus 18 mn, and then plus 2 mn minus 12 n square. Now you can take common from this. Take 3 and m as common. 3m is common, and m will be here. And when 18 is divided by 3, the answer is 6. 3 6 are 18, and write this minus sign and 6 n here, because m is out of our bracket. Then 2 is taken as common from 12 and 2, and also n is taken as common. Then m is here because there is only n out of bracket. Then if you divide 12 by 2, the answer is 6, and minus 6 n is in the bracket, because n square from n square only 1 n is out of bracket, and 1 n will be here. See here, m minus 6n and m minus 6n. Again the like terms are there, so our factorization is right. And take this m minus 6n as common, and 3m plus 2n will be written inside the bracket. This is the answer. Now there is E part of question number 11. E part. In E part he is giving the expression that 3p square plus 15pq plus 18q square. Now you see that 3 multiplied by 18 are the coefficient. Multiply 3 and 18. 3 8s are 24, and 3 1s are 3, and 2 5 54. You will find the prime factor of 54 to find the pairs. If you divide 5 by 2, the 2 2s are 4, and 1 from here it is 14, and 2 7s are 14. When you divide 54 by 2, the answer is 27. When you divide 27 by 3, the answer is 9. And when you divide 9 by 3, the answer is 3. It is our complete prime factorization. Now find the pair. If we have 3 multiplied by 3 9, and 2 multiplied by 3 6, 9 and 6 makes 15. It is easy pair. 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54, and 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. I think this is our suitable pair. Let us try it in our question. 3p square plus 9pq plus 6pq plus 18q square. Now you can take common 3 and p from here. 3p, and here will be only 1p inside the bracket, and 3 3s are 9 plus 3 here, because when 9 is divided by 3 the answer is 3, and p is outside the bracket, only q will be here. Then plus when 18 is divided by 6, answer is 3, and 6 is the multiple of 6 and 18, so you can take 6 as common and q as also as common, and then there will be then there will be p inside the bracket, and due to 18 when it is divided by 6, answer is 18. 6 3s are 18, 3 here, and q, 1 q is outside the bracket and 1 q is here. Again see p plus 3q and p plus 3q, these are same terms, and our factorization is also right due to these same terms. We can carry these same terms as common, and 3p plus 6q inside the bracket. This 3p and this plus 6u is in the bracket. Then there is f part, which is last part of our question number 11, and this part the expression has r square t minus 9r st plus 10 s square t. You see here that 2 multiplied by 10 are 2, and 10 is the coefficient of this question, and these are 2 multiplied by 10, that is equal to 20, and you can make part of 20, and you can solve it verbally. If you multiply 5 with 4, the answer is 20, and if you add 5 and 4, you have minus 5 and minus 4, the answer is minus 9. Because of both same sign I added, and minus 9 is there. So due to these two expression, we see that our condition are fulfilled. When we multiply, the answer is 20. When we subtract, the answer is minus 9. So you choose this pair. 2 and r is only r is common from here. Only r is common from here, and t is also common. Write r and t outside the bracket, rt. In the bracket there will be 2 and r, because r square is here. So 9 is also in the bracket, r and t is out of the bracket, and s will be here. Sorry, I don't added the pair, therefore this step is wrong. 2r square t, and then minus 5 r st, then minus 4 r st. Minus 5 r st and minus 4 r st makes minus 9 r st, and this plus 10 s square t is the same. Now you can take common from these two terms. There is r as common and t as common, and in the bracket there will be 2r, and r t is out, and minus 5s in the bracket. Then minus 2 as common from these two. We will take 2 as common, as well as s and t as common. So in the bracket there will be 2r, because when 4 divided by 2 the answer is 2, and r is also here. And due to this minus sign you will change the inner sign, and this 10 will become 5 after dividing by 2, and s will be in the bracket. Again see 2r minus 5s, 2r minus 5s s are same, so our factorization is wrong. Our factorization is right, and write this 2r minus 5s as common, and rt minus 2st as well. So this is our answer. Dear students, see in part A of question number 2, there is a little bit mistake. While multiplying 8x to 1, I wrote only 8, but here should be also x, because there is x along 8. So 8x is the answer. And then there is also a little bit mistake with other questions, that is in the here, see here, in this question, while multiplying 3k to 7k, I wrote 27k only, but k when multiplied by k is k square, and I mistakenly write k only here. So k square will be written along 21, k square here, k square here, and this is the answer. And then in the question number 9 part B, it also needs another step, minus 3x square. When you have minus 31xy and plus 23xy, you will have opposite sign. And you will subtract these, and after subtracting 23 from 31, the answer is, when we subtract 3 from 11, the answer is 8, and if we subtract 2 from 2, the answer is 0. So minus 8xy is here answer, and then plus 3y square. Also see another question. In question number 10 B, all the parts are right, and in question 11, its last part, we can also take common t from here, so you can take t common as well. So you can write as t here, and then r minus 2s in the bracket, and then this whole term 2r minus 5s in the bracket. Also here you see that 3 and 6 can be divided by 3, so take 3 as common, and you will write 3 into p plus 2q in the bracket from here, and this whole term will be written as such, p plus 3q. Sorry for these few mistakes. Thanks for watching.